Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In my last video, which was back on April the 28th, I started off 3 different little packets of seeds. So I've got cauliflower, peppers, these are bell peppers, and also cabbage. And out of all of these 3, only these have activity. I haven't really checked these today, but it doesn't, I'm just holding them up to the light. You just hold them up to the light and then you can see. But these do not look like they have any activity. So we're still early, so you know, it might take a couple more days for some of these to start off. Hopefully they do. If they do, then I'll come back and do a video on those. Now for the cabbage, I am going to just put them into these little pods here today. And some of them have germinated. I've got, it looks like that one has germinated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there, and there's 2 here that are questionable. I'm not sure. Oh, there one is almost started. So I'm not going to plant that one. Maybe I will. But anyway, I'm going to plant probably 6 here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got these already. I just soaked them. They're ready to go. So I'll plant these. You've seen me do that before. But you basically just soak these little pods. They look like this before you soak them in water. Just regular water, you just soak them, and they blow up like this. So all you do is you just take something pointy, just make a little bit of a hole in the middle, just like that. And then grab your little seed, try not to break it, and then right down into the soil. And then just give it a little bit of a push. I am on camera, hopefully, yes. And just a nice little push. You've got to be super gentle. And there we go. There's number 1. So I'll continue on. I'll come back in a second. Alright, I am back. I have just transplanted all of those little germinated seeds. And when I was really close up, I started just checking these, and these are empty. So every single one of these has germinated, so that's 100% germination. That's pretty nice. So there we go. So a couple of these are not that great. That one there, these 2 are coming along there. 1, 2, 3, those are coming along really well. So's that one. But there are a couple. One of them is just popping out of the seed, so I put that one in there. And there's one there, so hopefully they all take off. Now I do have a little container that I have here, and what I will do tonight, I'm just going to cover these just like this. I'll just get them all in there and just cover those up. And that will just keep a little bit of that humidity in there, and it'll keep it a little bit warmer for them tonight. So it's amazing what you can create, you know, just with little containers like this that were used for something else. So this is cabbage. We are today May the 2nd, and these started off on the 28th. Let me just bring these in just to show you what the package looked like. These are the seeds right here. I always get these. This is what's available at my Home Depot, Mackenzie. So there we go. So that is what is in here. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching.